Hello everyone. Today I shall discuss exercise 6.1 question number 2. Draw rough sketches for the following. In triangle ABC, BE is a median. In triangle PQR, PQ and PR are the altitudes of the triangle. In triangle XYZ, YL is an altitude in the exterior of the triangle. Right? Let us draw. First of all, let us take a triangle. Here we are taking a triangle. Right? If we change the color, then the color of the triangle is yellow, and if we increase the length of the triangle, it will be like this.